Bertocchini, the creator of Biohazard, and want to get some pictures of the robot first, if that's okay. Gotta get close up. Can you tell us a little bit about his design?
Yes. It uses, as you can see, it's very low. That was one of my things I was trying to accomplish, just see how low I can make it to stay out of the way of as many chainsaws and weapons as I could, and also makes it difficult to tip over because the center of gravity is very low. It has, this is new this year, these fenders here to keep other robots from going underneath it. It's got 6 wheels this year. Last year it had 4, and they're all driven, so 6-wheel drive. And it has an arm here that lifts up and it flips over other robots. That's its weapon. This is the armor that protects the innards. We've got 2 batteries here operating these 2 drive motors. The big motors are the motors to drive the robot, and these 2 smaller motors drive the arm. They lift the arm up and down. And these are the electronics that channel the battery power to the various motors.
What kind of batteries are you using?
That's have to keep that classified.
Okay, because I remember they had some concerns in technical about gel pack and lead acid and things like that. Your batteries are safe? No
wet cells are allowed. I'm using dry gel cells.
Okay, so they're perfectly safe. What kind of speed controller?
Vantech speed controller. I have 2 of them, one for the drive motors and one for the arms.
And what is your drivetrain?
Drivetrain consists of, coming off of the motor, I use bicycle type chain, and the speed reduction is done with sprockets, two-stage speed reduction, and then the power is sent to each of the 6 wheels with a chain.
Well, I was noticing the steel used, or the metal used on your robots, different kinds. What are you using?
Yeah, for the insides, for these bulkheads here, these are all magnesium, and also the bottom plate down here, that's magnesium. And these side skirts here, these are titanium. And these hinges are military spec hinges. They're aluminum. The arm is aluminum. The arm mechanics, they're steel. And the arm, other parts of the arm are titanium.
And is the scoop part of the arm, is that titanium as well?
The scoop, the front of the arm here is magnesium. I was going to go with titanium on that, but I didn't have time this year to make a new, see how they're spring-loaded. They have a razor edge, and they ride right on the ground to get underneath other robots. You can see some battle scars from last year.
Oh, yeah. So you left some of your wounds from last year on there.
Yep. Didn't have enough time to make titanium scoops.
Whoa, sounds like they're still building around here. How many hours did you say went into Biohazard, if you had a gauge?
I don't know about the hours, but this year I've been working on it for about 4 months.
That's a lot of work and a lot of time.
A lot of work, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Carlo. And good